Imagine waking up each morning with slightly swollen legs, stiff knees, and the feeling that the skin on your legs is getting thinner. These are familiar signs that collagen in your body is declining rapidly with age. After age 65, the amount of collagen your body can produce drops to less than half, which means every step places more pressure on your joints and ligaments. But the good news is that you can reverse this more easily than you might think. Many studies show that simply adding the right collagen-rich foods to your meals can noticeably improve joint wear, reducing swelling by up to 47% in just 8 weeks. Even within 30 days, your skin and joints begin to recover. And there is one food that contains 61% more collagen than all the others. In today's video, we will follow a ranked list of 8 collagen-rich foods, arranged from the least effective to the most powerful. You will see that the number 1 food is something almost no one over 60 ever eats, even though it contains an exceptional amount of collagen. Before we start, I want to invite you to interact a little. How old are you? Leave your number in the comments. I read and respond to every single one, because it helps build a community of older adults who care about their health just like you. Now let's begin with the food in position number 8. The food in position number 8 is egg yolks. Although they do not contain collagen directly, egg yolks are rich in 3 nutrients that activate collagen production: biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. Sulfur is especially important because it plays a key role in forming the amino acid chains that make up collagen. When your body lacks sulfur, collagen synthesis slows down, ligaments become weaker, joints hurt more easily, and your legs can swell after walking. One study found that people who ate whole eggs 5 times a week for 10 weeks reduced joint pain by about 22%, and their CRP inflammation markers dropped significantly. Interestingly, adults over 60 experienced the highest increase in collagen synthesis. For best results, cook egg yolks gently, such as soft-boiled, poached, or lightly fried in olive oil. Avoid overcooking because it can destroy nutrients, and you do not need to worry about cholesterol. Whole eggs can raise the good HDL without increasing the dangerous type in most older adults. Do not skip the yolk. It is one of the easiest everyday foods for strengthening your joints. After understanding why egg yolks support collagen formation, we move to food number 7, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds do not provide collagen directly, but they are rich in 3 minerals your body needs to create new collagen: zinc, manganese, and magnesium. Zinc activates the enzymes that begin collagen synthesis. Manganese helps connective tissue stay elastic and durable. Magnesium supports proper muscle function and reduces hidden inflammation around the joints. One study found that older adults who consumed 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks saw a 19% reduction in swelling in the legs and feet. Joint flexibility improved by about 27%, along with increases in antioxidants and collagen precursors. The benefits were strongest for adults over 65 who experienced morning stiffness. You can eat pumpkin seeds raw, dry roasted without oil, or soaked overnight with a bit of sea salt for easier digestion. Blending them into smoothies or oatmeal is also convenient. This small addition can make a big difference for people with swollen knees or ankles. Continuing from pumpkin seeds and their mineral support for collagen, the food in position number 6 offers a more direct benefit. It is canned salmon with soft bones. The bones in this type of salmon are where you find collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, 4 key elements that keep joints moving smoothly and reduce friction when you stand up or walk. One study found that older adults who ate canned salmon with bones 3 times a week for 10 weeks reduced inflammatory markers like CRP by 21%. Flexibility in the knees increased by about 32%. The combination of omega-3 seconds and collagen peptides from the fish bones helps reduce swelling and stimulates the body to build new collagen faster. When choosing canned salmon, look for wild-caught with intact soft bones, and use both the meat and the bones to get the full nutrient mix. You can mash the soft bones and mix them into the salmon, then add to grain bowls, toast, or salads. If this content is helpful, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment with number 1 or 0 so I know you are still following. This is an affordable, easy-to-prepare option that works very well for older adults who want better joint health without relying on supplements. After collagen-rich salmon bones, we move to the food in position number 5, something many people throw away because they think it is unhealthy: chicken skin. Despite its bad reputation, chicken skin is an excellent natural source of type 1 collagen. This is the same type of collagen found in cartilage, joints, and ligaments, forming the cushioning layer between bones. When cooked properly, chicken skin provides the raw materials your body needs to repair joint lining, reduce inflammation, and improve morning stiffness. One study showed that adults over 55 who consumed type 1 collagen from poultry for 12 weeks experienced about 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness. Many reported less ankle swelling, more flexible knees, and imaging showed reduced cartilage deterioration. You can prepare chicken skin through slow cooking, baking, roasting, or simmering in broth. Avoid deep frying, as it creates inflammatory compounds. Choose cuts with both skin and bone, and pair them with salads or soups. Do not throw away the skin if you have knee, hip, or ankle problems. It is a low-cost collagen source, ideal for older adults. Moving on from chicken skin and its type 1 collagen, the food in position number 4 is simple yet extremely effective for older adults: gelatin. Gelatin is essentially collagen that has been cooked and extracted from bones, skin, and connective tissue. Because it is partially broken down, gelatin is easy to absorb and travels directly to the tendons, ligaments, and joints. This makes it especially suitable for people with weak digestion or frequent leg swelling. A 2018 double-blind study found that just 6 weeks of gelatin use reduced knee and ankle inflammation by about 27% and improved mobility by 37%. MRI scans even showed early thickening of joint cartilage, something rarely seen in older adults. Choose unsweetened, odorless gelatin powder from grass-fed sources. It is very flexible to use. Simply dissolve it into bone broth, tea, or warm water. You can also add it to soups, stews, or make gummies with natural fruit juice. Consistency is key. Even small daily amounts have been shown to reduce swelling and improve long-term joint function. Gelatin also supports tendons and the connective structures in the hips and legs. After gelatin with its direct effect on tendons and ligaments, the food in position number 3 provides a more complete form of natural collagen: sardines with skin and bones. When eaten whole, sardines become a collagen-rich superfood containing type 1 collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin. Their skin is especially valuable because it contains omega-3 seconds and elastin, which help reduce inflammation and repair aging connective tissue. A 2022 study showed that older adults who ate whole sardines 3 times a week for 8 weeks reduced swelling in the knees and ankles by 25%, joint pain decreased by about 29%, and blood tests showed increased markers of new collagen production. Choose sardines packed in water or olive oil, and avoid those soaked in soybean oil or heavy sauces. You can mash them into avocado toast, mix them with rice, or add them to salads. If you dislike the smell, blend them with Greek yogurt or a little mustard. Sardines are inexpensive, accessible, and not a pill, making them ideal for older adults with weak knees or unsteady walking who often skip them because of their distinct aroma. After sardines with their natural collagen from skin and bones, the food in position number 2 is a simple yet powerful collagen therapy: bone broth. Many people call bone broth collagen therapy in liquid form because long simmering releases gelatin, type 1, and type 2 collagen, along with glycine, proline, and anti-inflammatory compounds that repair connective tissue. A 2021 study showed that drinking 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks reduced joint swelling by about 44% and improved mobility by 38%. Ultrasound imaging showed thicker knee cartilage, a rare change in older adults. Bone broth has an advantage over collagen powder because it contains the full set of cofactors and minerals that help new collagen anchor properly in the joint matrix. To make it, use connective tissue-rich bones such as beef knuckles, turkey necks, or chicken backs. Simmer them with apple cider vinegar, onions, garlic, and herbs for 12 to 24 hours. The vinegar helps extract minerals from the bones. Bone broth is extremely versatile. Use it to cook rice, vegetables, stews, or drink it warm like a soup. It is slow, simmered joint therapy in a mug, perfect for older adults who experience knee pain or ankle swelling at the end of the day. After bone broth with its strong anti-inflammatory effects, we finally reach the #1 food. This is the most powerful natural collagen source you can add to your daily diet: beef tendons. Beef tendons contain a very high amount of type 1 collagen, the same type found in skin, ligaments, and bone. When slow cooked, the tendons release gelatin and peptides that help regenerate aging connective tissue. A 2022 study showed that adults over 60 who ate beef tendon stew 3 times a week significantly improved their balance. Knee stiffness decreased by 41%, and joint fluid density increased by about 63%. MRI scans showed regeneration of the cushioning layer around the joints after only 30 days, an impressive result in this age group. Cooking beef tendons is simple. Simmer them for 8 to 12 hours until they become soft and slightly gelatinous. You can cook them with rice, vinegar, ginger, and garlic for more flavor. Then cut into small pieces and add to soups, stews, or noodle dishes. If you are just starting, use small amounts and mix them with soft vegetables or bone broth for easier digestion. Beef tendons are not trendy, but they are the strongest natural collagen source. They help tighten the tissue around the ankles, restore the gliding surface of the knees, and reduce friction in the hips. This food is especially helpful for older adults who feel pain when walking or climbing stairs. We have just gone through 8 real foods, not pills, that can strengthen your legs, rebuild connective tissue, and reduce joint swelling from the inside out. No drugs, no gimmicks, just collagen-rich nutrition with real evidence. Your body is always trying to heal itself, and sometimes all it needs is the right fuel to do that job. Before we finish, I want to ask you something. Among these 8 foods, which one will you try during your first week? Leave a comment below. I read and respond to all of them because it helps me understand your personal health journey. As always, this video is for educational purposes and not a substitute for medical advice. If you have health conditions or are taking medication, consult your doctor before changing your diet. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Joint and leg health can improve at any age, and that journey begins with one small change today.